All right, here's a group of toys that I keep sitting out here close by that you won't often see. Here's a zeroid. And Mighty Kong Jr. I got a few of these guys. They're pretty cool. As long as you don't overwind them because the springs will break. And then back here, we got the Merrymakers. Kong's leaving the scene. And then this guy, getting kind of crazy. And there you go. So yeah, it's quite a little group there with Mighty Kong Jr., the Merrymakers up here. This goes back to like 1930-ish, around the stock market crash era. Of course, the zeroids from the 60s. And Amos and Andy, the taxi cab.